In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to find a user's email address on GitHub. This can be useful when you need to contact a contributor directly or find publicly available contact information for collaboration. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, use the GitHub search bar to find the profile of the user whose contact information you're looking for. You can search for their username and open their profile from the results. Once you're on their profile, look through their repositories or activity and find a commit made by that user. Click on the commit to open its details. On the commit details page, look at the browser's address bar. At the end of the commit URL, add, patch and press enter. GitHub will display the commit information in plain text. If the commit metadata exposes an email address, you'll be able to see it in the author information. Keep in mind that GitHub users can use private or masked email addresses, so an actual personal email may not be available. And that's it. You've learned how to check publicly exposed email information through GitHub commit metadata. Thanks for watching.